In the vast open ocean, one creature defies gravity before becoming a global delicacy.
Hidden within, the diamond dust of the culinary world. Tobiko.
Millions of golden spheres, processed with surgical precision. From the airborne catch to the sushi plate. This is the journal of the flying fish. The process begins at dawn, as tons of the ocean's aviators are hauled from the deep. Temperature control is critical. The catch is immediately submerged in ice. Entering the facility, the fish are stiff and preserved in a state of suspended freshness. High-velocity jets strip away the ocean's residue. Expert hands filter the catch. Only the perfect specimens proceed. Their unique aerodynamics make them a challenge to process. A bulk wash ensures total sanitation before the incision.
Technology sees what the human eye cannot.
Aligned with millimeter precision, they are ready for the blade. The extraction of the golden treasure begins now. Machines start the cut, but only the human touch can extract the prize without damage.
There it is. The ocean diamond, hidden within the fuselage.
Extraction requires a delicate balance of force and finesse. Each sack contains thousands of individual eggs, destined for processing. Nothing is wasted. The fish itself continues its own journey. High-speed blades strip the meat, turning the aviator into a fillet. Quality control is rigorous. Imperfections are unacceptable. The membrane is discarded, releasing the millions of individual spheres. In their raw state, the eggs are pale yellow. The vibrant colors come later. A gentle cyclone cleanses the eggs without crushing them. They must rest for 24 hours. The cold locks in the texture. Excess brine is removed. Only the pearls remain. Even the wings are preserved, destined to become crispy garnishes.
The wasabi batch is ready. The aroma is intense.
Before packaging, every batch must survive the light table.
Backlighting reveals what surface inspection misses: internal blood spots or broken shells. Optical lasers scan thousands of spheres per second, rejecting anything that isn't perfect. Premium Tobiko must flow like dry sand. Any clumping indicates excess moisture. Salt levels are measured to the decimal. Consistency is the brand's promise. A final safety sweep ensures no microfragments of steel remain from the processing blades.
Only the top 10% of the catch earns the Grade A distinction.
Precision dosing ensures every tub contains exactly 500 grams of the golden harvest. Vacuum sealing removes oxygen, pausing the aging process completely. In a fraction of a second, the raw catch becomes a global product. Packed by hand to ensure the delicate roe survives the journey. From the factory floor to the sub-zero logistics network. Within 48 hours, this cargo will reach Tokyo, New York, and Paris.
The journey ends here. A burst of ocean flavor in a single bite.
From the airborne fish to the diamond of the sea. This is the process.